Double.com sold for nearly $1 million. That's right, this domain name sold for an eye-popping price. And if you're wondering why, you are here at the right place. I'm gonna break this down, why this domain name sold for such a big price. So let's get straight into this. So first of all, let me show you the website first. Here it is. This is actually now a gambling platform. You can see slots, learn about slots from the experts. So there are, you can just scroll down this page by yourself. So first of all, why would anyone pay $980,000 for Double.com? So this is very simple. This is very short domain name. In the world of domain names, short domain names are golden. So Double.com is only 6 character long. That's easy to remember, easy to type, and it's a perfect word of mouth marketing. Think about it. If you hear it in a podcast or maybe on Instagram while you're scrolling, and or maybe an ad, you will be able to find it in seconds. Secondly, this is short and very rare. There are limited 2-word domain names out there, and even fewer with the potential to be used across different industries, and this is only 1 word. So when you find one of these gems on the market, people who actually understand, they just jump into and are willing to pay big amounts just to secure it. Now let's talk about the versatility of the domain name. Double. It is just not a cool word, okay? It's a concept that applies to so many things. Now think about finance, think about health, gaming, or even tech. Double the money, double the reward, double everything, double the fun. It has a very broad spectrum. So it can be used for a lot of businesses. For example, in finance, Double.com could be used for a platform focused on growing investments. In gaming, it's a natural fit for a site that is doubling your winnings. And of course, in slots or online casinos, you already see double works perfect. It's a concept that anyone can relate, doubling down your money and all that kind of thing. So now, as I've said, Double.com has already been launched. Learn about slots from the experts. This is a natural fit for the site focused on casino games, and honestly, it is a perfect match for this domain name. Now, why is this such a great fit? So for these types of domain names immediately tells you what the site is all about. Slots, doubling up, winning, and all that kind of good stuff. And since the gambling industry is very massive, especially online casino and online industry, that's huge. So these types of names actually gain very prime authority in this niche. With a domain name like this, the website can quickly establish credibility and rank high in search results. Double is such a powerful word in the gambling, as I've talked so many times in this video. It instantly signals the promise of winnings, and that's why people are going to remember it and click on it. You can also relate to this with the other gambling platforms that are online. The online casino platforms that are being promoted. I'm not going to name them obviously, but you guys know they instantly connect to you so much. So what's the takeaway for anyone thinking about buying a domain name? Double.com is actually a very great investment. Not only it is memorable, this is short, it has the potential for incredible marketing and huge, the branding flexibility is huge with this domain name. I don't know why am I supposed to not show this, but this is what the entire platform is showing. So bear with me if my video gets taken down. I don't know, because YouTube takes down a lot of videos of mine. So this can be used in so many industries. That means the chances of high returns are huge with this. If a new owner of Double.com decides to start something in future, they could take it in many directions. That's the value of a domain name like this. This is future proof, and if the business doesn't work out, these types of domain names can be sold again and you can gain a lot of money from that. So this is the reason why people call them as a virtual real estate. If spent wisely, it just works. And for those who don't know, even I have acquired Gamble.credit and Poker.auction. Why? Because these types of industries are huge. They hold a lot of potential. Since the influencers and the social media experts now are promoting online gambling so much, even the celebrities are. So these types of platforms will get huge and huge and huge. No matter what, the gamble and the gambling industry already holds a lot of money and a lot of wealth. They know how to market and do things. This is the reason why I got Gamble.credit. But the ones who are gambling, they would need credit. Why not a platform that gives credit to people instantly? Similarly, Poker.auction. I don't know why, but one of my friends that I had is actually an expert collector in the poker industry. He collects and he then sells. So why not a platform that auctions poker stuff? So this is how you sit and create the names. So this is what it is. And to sum this up, the nearly 1 million price tag on double.com isn't just because it's a cool name, it's because this is short, memorable, moreover versatile, and can be leveraged across multiple industries. This is the prime example of how the right domain name can be a game changer for any business out there. So what do you think about this? You gotta tell me. And if you need any domain consultations or any help with finding the perfect name for your business, let's talk.